What's going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video. Guys, some of the biggest companies in the world have reported earnings these past 2 days. Today was a giant one. Some amazing and some not so great. All the earnings that I'm going to be talking about for the big three is Microsoft, Google, and AMD. Let's start off with Microsoft because this one absolutely shocked me. As you can see right now, the price is down 3.1% after hours. Looks like they missed earnings, right? No. Microsoft books their biggest revenue growth since 2018. This was an incredible quarter by Microsoft. They did $1.95 per share versus estimates of $1.78, and their revenue was $41.71 billion versus expectations of $41.03. It's incredible the growth that this company has had recently. You know, a lot of people were counting Microsoft out, but they go ahead and put a quarter like this on, and you know their Azure cloud business grows 50%, faster than the 46% that analysts had expected. That's one of the things I'm looking forward to most when I look at Microsoft is their cloud, because that's a big profit bringer right there for them. So, like I said, growing 50%, it's just incredible. I mean, you go ahead and look at some of this stuff. It baffles my mind to see growth like this. I mean, all the stuff growing at a very good rate. Nothing here that looks bad. Nothing. And it's one of the things I was a little shocked about. Like, why is the stock down? So I'm gonna buy it tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and sell a put on it. Probably for the 260 strike price for January. Collect some good premium as well, since it's gonna be down tomorrow. So hopefully it goes to 250 and I'll get even a better price. But this one really shocked me because you see growth like that, and for some reason it's down. Nothing that worries me about this whatsoever. There's nothing that stands out that's like, okay, this is a little worrisome. But overall, just great. It's a great opportunity, honestly. That's really what this comes down to. It's an amazing opportunity. You want to get into Microsoft and you miss on the all-time highs of like 260s. Well, now you can get it in the low 250s. Obviously, it's not like it was in the 230s a month or so ago, but you're still getting it really good. Microsoft shares are up 18% year to date. So it's obviously not up that much, but with the growth that it's had, especially in their cloud business, it's insane. So as for guidance, analyst polls expect 42.98 billion revenue in the first fiscal fourth quarter, which would imply annualized revenue about 13% growth. So not much to be upset about. So like I said, using it as a buying opportunity, I would love to see 250 or below. I don't think it's going to happen, but I'm going to go ahead and sell my put right in the morning because, like I said, this is a great opportunity. All-time high was today, 263.19, with the low of the year coming in at about almost 100 points lower. So I think it's a great opportunity. I know it's a little high on, but PE ratio is still relatively low with 39. So overall, love this company. And let's talk about Google now, because Google, it's up 102 points. Again, for the past three earnings quarters, Google has been the biggest grower on earnings. We saw last quarter with Apple and Amazon, those things just getting beat down the past 2 quarters. What is the one that sticks out? It's the dark horse Google. Continues to hit all-time highs every single day. Went ahead and did it again. It's sitting at 2,400 now. Just an absolute rocket quarter. Reports giant beat as revenue grows 34%. Look at that YouTube ad revenue growing 50% year over year. I'm not really seeing much growth in mine, but oh well. But let's go ahead and talk about the earnings. They did 26.29 per share versus expectations of 15.82. Get the heck out of here. Revenue 55.31 billion versus 51.7 billion expected. Look at the Google Cloud. The only thing that was a little disappointing is the Google Cloud, but that's barely down. And the fact that the stock is rising this much, even with that, I could not imagine what the stock would have done if Google Cloud beat expectations as well. But YouTube ads, look at that. YouTube ads bring in $6 billion in revenue in just one quarter alone. Incredible. And then their traffic acquisition costs, obviously beating expectations again, $9.71 billion versus the $9.25 billion estimates. This is incredible seeing the ad revenue. And that's the amazing thing about Google. Google is a double edge, basically. You have the stay-at-home economy, with YouTube and stuff. And you also have the reopening, because as travel agencies and hotels and all that, they pay Google a lot of money for their travel ads. So Google can be seen as a double player in this, which is the reason it has rallied the entire year and is the best performing big tech FANG stock. Just incredible. But overall, like I said, we're seeing huge year-over-year growth, and it's just incredible. It's becoming the winner. I mean, this is the go-to stock. This is the go-to stock to go for, is Google. And it's a relatively pretty low PE as well. It's only 36, only a 1.5 trillion market cap. It's incredible that Google is doing so well right now. It's actually incredible to see. So this is the one that I'm so mad that I missed out on. I tried to get it when it was like 1,800. I got greedy. It was like 1,830. I wanted to wait till 1,800. Bad choices, Tyler. Bad choices. But Google's a solid winner. So congrats for all you who are in Google. Their Google Cloud revenue grew 46% year over year, just insane, and it's only going to get bigger and bigger. As soon as this thing starts turning big profits, like it will be in a year or so, it's just going to just absolutely destroy everything. Google's going to be a $2 trillion stock pretty soon. But again, another great quarter, and the stock is rallying over 100 points after hours because of it. Now let's talk about AMD stock. I got a big AMD position, so I like this. I like this a lot. AMD's up 3.8%. After hours, we went ahead and held through like expected. They did amazing. We go ahead and look at this. Today announced the revenue of the first quarter of $3.45 billion, operating income $662 million, and net income of $555 million. Earnings per share coming in at 45. This is insane. This is actually insane to look at the growth of this company. This is the reason that AMD is the best in their class. This is why they are rising and people like Intel are falling, because AMD comes in there and they do it the right way. Lisa Su knows how to run a company, and she is running this amazing. Again, another amazing earnings quarter. You thought that last time they couldn't top it. We really thought that they could not top it last time, and they go ahead and do it. It's just, it's incredible to see the growth that they're having. And I'm just blown away. I'm truly blown away. Look at this, revenue of $3.45 billion. And AMD's pretty cheap for a big growth stock as well, of only a 41 PE ratio. So, I don't know, man. The more I look at AMD, the more I am so glad I own it, and I wish I would have bought more. That's my only regret, is that I didn't buy more. Just, it's incredible. It's truly incredible, the stuff that this company is bringing out. Yeah, again, this is going to be a $100 stock by the end of the year. That's my prediction. It's going to be a $100 stock. Barring a weird thing with external circumstances like big tax hikes or interest rates soaring, this company's $100. I mean, the 52-week high was 99. It's still, over $10 off from its 52-week high. So just, again, another incredible earnings quarter, and that's why the stock's up, almost 4% after hours. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing touches $90 tomorrow. So, guys, another incredible earnings day with some of the big companies. Like I said, the only one that's down some is Microsoft, but that is a buying opportunity in my opinion, and I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of that tomorrow. So, guys, have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.